Hi, I'm Ben Messenger for Waste Management World. We're in Munich at IFAT in Zorga 2012. I'm on the Scarab stand with Dave Cassingham. Dave, I understand you've had some big news lately.
Yes, Ben. As you can see from the stand, this is the first time that Scarab Miner and Ravo have all exhibited under the same umbrella. We all now share a common corporate identity. Special thing about the three companies is the fact that we are all from different countries. So we have Scarab from the UK, we have Miner from France, and we have Ravo from Holland. Each of us producing a different range of equipment, which together is exceptionally complementary.
So Dave, you're all manufacturers, but can you show us what you've got on display here at IFAT?
Yeah, certainly, Ben. As a brief resume, we have two products from each of the companies. I'll take you quickly around the stand if you like, and give you a brief explanation. This end of the stand we have Scarab. Scarab is showing a Scarab Merlin hydrostatic, which is our most popular model within Europe. We're also pre-launching our new Scarab Miner. Scarab Miner has been in production since 1984, based on a multi-cast chassis, and it's been in Scarab's whole production since 1991. We're quite excited about this new vehicle. It's based on a very successful model that we've probably sold over 2,500 machines. And this is really just the latest development of that product.
And what markets are you aiming this at?
That'll be mainly Europe to start off with, but it does have potential outside of the European area. It also sells exceptionally well in places like Australia, where we have some very long-standing distributors. Then if we move on to the mature product that's on show, we have the Aquaszero, which was the first scrubber dryer, or successful scrubber dryer on the market. Extremely popular today. Has a very unique 5-brush head, which extends to give you an exceptionally wide sweeping pattern and scrubbing pattern. Okay, and this is the second mature product. This is the Azure Flex. It's a brand new launch product. It's basically a sweeping platform, and through clever engineering is able to take a number of attachments, one of which is their 3-brush scrubbing head. So that's a very, very similar attachment to what's on the Aquaszero, but a narrower sweeping width, scrubbing width. Then you have a high-pressure spray bar and auto hose reel for street washing applications. Then you have a front brush, which attaches onto the front for weed ripping or for additional clearance on pavements. You can see on the back of the machine that you also have the ability to fit a drop gritter. Now that's available either as a drop gritter or as a spreader as well.
So that would be for winter use to grit the roads with?
Grit roads, grit pavements. There's an increasing requirement of municipalities to grit their pavements as well as just the roads these days, so it's a perfect vehicle for doing that. And then additionally to that, you also have a snow brush and a snow plough. So really it's a complete package for a municipality that perhaps can't afford individual machines, but can buy a sweeper that has the ability to take all of these winter and summer attachments.
It's a real multi-purpose machine.
It certainly is. And Ravo we have here, this is their 5 Series model. The two machines are both 5 Series, but they have a speed differences. This one is an 80 kilometres per hour machine, and this one's up to 50 kilometres an hour. They've also got many attachments similar to the Mature, and here you see the front roller brush and also the third front brush similar to the Mature, which enables weed ripping or clearance of an extra wide path when sweeping.
So I guess the faster machine would just be necessary where there's greater distances on road required.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, Dave, it's been a fascinating look at Scarab's products. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much. Cheers, Ben.